doesn't go off.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for
Sterling?
Chesapeake from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 4:45 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located near Chesapeake Beach, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include...
Jason,
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia is issuing warning for northwestern St. Maryland County and southern Maryland, south central Charles County and southern Maryland, northeastern King George County and central Virginia, at 5:30 p.m. and 4:46 p.m. The thunderstorm was located over Palm Street, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Downwind, Manitowoc Creek, Oak Creek, Fort Tobacco River, Lycombe River, Mechanicsville, Cobb Island, Rock Point, Bushwood, Clements, Shields, North Point Avenue, Rockville, and Oakley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close to being struck by a lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive on the flooded roadways. The National Weather...
hello, Sterling. How you doing? Kind of surprised with that SMW.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over you south. 3019 Memorial Bridge, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, observed winds. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel. Locations impacted include Cobb Island, Colton's Point, St. Clement Bay, Marine Bay, Westmoreland State Park, Lycombe Oakhill River, and Colonial Beach. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National...
104.9, 104.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Westmoreland County until 6 p.m. At 5:12 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over Colonial Beach, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Westmoreland County, including the following locations: Wordy, Potomac Beach, Potomac Mills, and Westmoreland State. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Richmond and Westmoreland.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe
There goes
thunderstorm
WIGO.
northwestern Richmond County, central Westmoreland County, until 7 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Richmond County. Oakville River, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees. 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail will be near. Source, radar indicated. Cold point around 6:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lurdy, Kalaman Landing, Mount Holly, Singer Lake, Peebs. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lurdy. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Facebook page. Please report severe weather NWS Wakefield, VA.